Hello all, welcome to Leetcode Daily Challenge. Today's problem is maximum product of splitted binary tree. So in this problem, we are given root of a binary and we need to split it into two subtrees such that after removing that one edge, the product of the sums of the subtree is maximized. And we need to return maximum of the two subsets, and the answer can be large. We need to return modulo. And one thing is too that this modulo will be applied after we have taken all the combinations and sum. So let's take this example. If I have this graph, right? If I break it over here, right? What it will be the sum of this leftover plus this leftover. Now, if you see for this node, this is nothing but the left subtree. What if my answer was coming from breaking this? So this is basically for this node, right subtree. What if my answer was coming breaking this node? Now this is left subtree for this node, right? So greedily, if I get the sum of all the values, cool, I got the sum of entire value. Now, if I'm breaking it over here, and if I somehow get for this node, what is the sum of the left subtree? Simply total sum minus left subtree will give me the sum of this value, right? And their product, I can simply catch it out. So that is what I'm doing. This is max product problem. Answer is initially initializing with the very less value, mod taking as it is given. I'm taking S. What S is doing, basically storing the sum of the all elements. The sum function that I have created, what it does is takes the tree node value, and if root is null, return 0. Otherwise, you go left, you go right, and S is basically left plus right plus root value, and simply return that value. So this will give me the total sum. What I'm doing is I'm calculating another function, that is I'm passing root and S to it. S is my total sum, and I'm passing it root. What I'm doing is here I am initializing L with 0. If I can possibly go to my left subtree, I'll go. Similarly, if I can go to my right subtree, I will go. After that, whatever value I'm getting, what I'm doing is this S minus R. So let's say R was the value I'm getting from the right subtree. Total sum minus that right subtree value will be one possible answer. Similarly doing for the left. And finally, I'm returning L plus R plus root value. That is the entire subtree that has been possible from left, right, and that not included, because that will be helpful if we go a little bit higher in the level. So that is why. And finally, once it is done, then we are doing the modulo and returning the answer. So that was all for this question. If you like the video, hit the like button and do subscribe for more daily content. Thank you.